Logic gates are an electronic circuit which makes logic decisions. Or logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital circuit. These logic gates are used in relay circuits or calculator and half order, full order circuits. Types of logic gates. Logic gates can be broadly classified as basic logic gates, universal logic gates, other logic gates. Basic logic gates can be divided into three more logic gates like a AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. And universal logic gates further classified into NAND gate and NOR gate. So remaining other logic gates, this can be divided into two types. One is a XOR gate, other is XNOR gate. These are the types of the logic gates. So now let's see the basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are the fundamental logic gates using which universal logic gates and other logic gates are constructed. They have the following properties. Basic logic gates are associative in nature and commutative in nature. So there are following three basic logic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So now let's see what is a AND gate. AND gate, the output of AND gate is a high if all of its inputs are a high, or the output of AND gate is low if any one of the input is a low. So 0 and 1 are the logic states. The symbolical diagram of the AND gate is as shown here. So A and B are the input. It can have a two input and one output. Output Y equals to A and B. There is a dot. We can use Y is equals to A and B. Suppose a gate has a three inputs like A, B, N. So the output is equals to Y equals to A and B and N. So this diagram shows to the N number of inputs. This diagram shows to the two inputs. Next, truth table of the AND gate. So this is a truth table of a AND gate. A and B are the inputs. Y is equals to A and B. This is the output. So A equals to 0, B equals to 0. So output Y equals to A and B means output equals to 0. So A 0, B 1. Here also output 0. A 1, B 0. So here also output 0. A1, B1, here output is equals to 1. So let observe here, if two inputs are high, output is a high. So in remaining cases, in remaining all these cases, output equals to low. This is a truth table of the AND gate. Next, timing diagram. This is also very important. The timing diagram for AND gate is as shown figure. Let's observe here. So A, T1 intervals, T1, T2, T3 and T4. So we consider 4 intervals of time. So A is nothing but input, B also one more input, Y equals to A and B. This is a output. Just observe the curves here. So in first interval T1 alli A equals to 0 ide, B equals to 0 means low state alli ide anta, output is also low. Second interval of time T2, A equals to 0, B equals to high. B equals to 1 means high. Output here also 0 means low. In third interval T3, A equals to high. Input A high kodona. Input B low kodona 0. So output ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Output ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. So last interval T4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ A equals to 1 high ಕೊಡೋಣ, B ಕೂಡ high ಕೊಡೋಣ. So output ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Output is also 1. This is a timing diagram. So this is very. So analogy of a AND gate by using battery, two switches and bulb circuit. So as shown in figure here. So two switches A and B are connected in series with a bulb and also connected bulb. All are connected to a battery of a voltage 5 volt as shown here. So A and B switches represented as a input. Output is measured by using the glow and unglow of the bulb. So now switch A and B both are open. Open means low, means off state. So here observe the bulb is not a glow. Next, if A equals to 0 means open, B is closed. So here A equals to 0 means open, B is equals to 1 means closed. So here also circuit remains closed, current cannot move through a circuit. So here also bulb is not glow. So here output is also 0. In second step, A equals to closed, B is open, means A is 1, B equals to 0. Here also circuit remains break off. Here also the bulb is will not glow, output equals to 0. Next, in third step, both A and B are open, means the circuit remains broken, the current cannot flow through a circuit. Here also bulb is not glow, whose output equals to 0. Next, last case, A is closed, B is closed, means A equals to 1, B equals to 1. The circuit remains closed, current can flow through a bulb, the bulb will going to glow, means output equals to 1. So this is the analogy of AND gate by using the two switches, bulb and battery. Next, one more circuit is there by using how constructed the AND gate by using the diodes. So now consider the two PN junction diodes. So D1 and D2. So A and B, these are the negative things. A means B inputs. So the outputs are connected to a battery via R as shown figure clearly. So if A and B, A equals to 0, B equals to 0, both diodes D1 and D2 which are not conducted. So here output is equals to 0. Next, if A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1, D1 is not conducted, D2 offers a reverse bias. So here output is equals to 0. Next, in third step, A equals to 1, B is equals to 0, D2 is not conducted, D1 is also not conducted because which offer a reversing bias. Here also output equals to 0. Last case, if A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, both D1 and D2 are conducted, the output equals to 1. So this is the circuit analogy, AND gate, construction of a AND gate by using the diodes D1 and D2. The output can measure by using the LED. If LED is a glow, the output is equals to 1. LED will not glow, output equals to 0. So